Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to be behaving tomorrow and what are the key levels to look out for. So before we proceed, we need to quickly go ahead and check in what they did today and what they can do tomorrow and what is the potential of their or the limitations that we can say for tomorrow. And let's quickly first have a look at the order flow. In the order flow, after 3:15, there was a huge buying in Bank Nifty that actually was a commutative of somewhere around, if you just add this 10,000, 6,000 and 36,000, it comes somewhere around 52,000 lots that have actually been bought. And in Nifty, if I would want to tell you, there were close to a 1 lakh quantity that was bought in net. So that means that there is a bit of a push on the upside that we can look out for both these indexes, and we need to be very, very careful as to what is going to happen here. Now, the most important thing would be these resistances. So this resistance in Bank Nifty would be a very important zone that it would need to clear. Now, there are two things that can happen. Now, if we just change this to a one-day time frame, all right. So in the one-day time frame, if we have a look at it over here, this is the place that it is going to halt first tomorrow. All right. Now, with such a strong candle that has been made today, this will become a very, a proper support that you can say would be somewhere around 36,400 would be the support that it would take. So there are two instances that can happen with Bank Nifty now. Now, tomorrow, there are, let me just get that thing up for you. So tomorrow, if the index opens below the resistance, consolidates here, and then takes this level out, then we can immediately look for a target of somewhere around 37,200. Now, the other instances is if it goes below 36,800, all right, and if it somehow comes into this range, then we can expect a volatile Friday to be between 36,700 and 36,400 for tomorrow. But with whatever the buying that I have seen at this moment, it clearly says that it is going to try to gap up, or there is going to be some bullish momentum. Because remember, guys, Bank Nifty has a long due travel to the all-time high that it has to do, and the all-time high is somewhere around 3% away, which can be a possibility that next week that this can be taken out. So looking at it from a bullish perspective, we are expecting that if it gaps up tomorrow over this range, or if it consolidates at the area of 36,900 and 800 and breaks this range, we can look for 37,200 as a target. And if it sustains that, we can also look at somewhere around 37,500. So this would be the 50% of whatever the move that we can expect here. And on a positional basis for the next expiry, of course, this is going to be bullish. Now, in terms of Nifty, Nifty has become a madman, guys. This guy has no regrets to go ahead and, I don't know what it's trying to do, but from a recent, low, let's go ahead and understand what are the levels from the fib, because these were the levels that it is operating on. So I think this guy next week is going to touch 17,460, 456 is what it is going to look at. Now, how is it going to do? Firstly, we need to go to the 15-minute time frame, and let's look at the chart here. So the kind of bullish momentum that I've seen over here in Nifty, it is literally terrific, guys. So if we are looking at this, and let's say if it crosses 17,242 tomorrow, then we can expect a 50% target of Nifty tomorrow over here, and that would be somewhere around, a 0.5 percentage. So that would be 99 points that we can look at Nifty tomorrow, and 17,343 would be the first target. And if that sustains over there, and if Bank Nifty gives the support that it is planning to give tomorrow, then we can look at somewhere around 17,456 as a target. So that can be immediately achieved, because right now these numbers are going to be irrelevant, because Nifty is already at somewhere around 17,000. So 1% is 170 points. So it can just take out 100 points here and there at any time. So if we are just contemplating on the kind of way where we want to sell, I don't think until and unless there is a candle of 15 minutes below 17,053, I am not going to be bearish with this index. But if somehow if it takes that out, then we can see 300 points correction is what I'm expecting in Nifty. But if it opens sideways, then it can most well stay at this range for a long time. But however, whenever it is at that particular range, it can break out on the top anytime. So these are the levels for tomorrow, and I hope these help you. And if you have any questions, there is a WhatsApp link below. You can WhatsApp me and I can answer all your questions. If you want to live trade with us, there is a link to our Telegram channel where you can monitor what our progress is and visit our website to join us. So with this information, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Jai Hind. Goodbye. We'll see you on our next video tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.